My young Adlao amigos, these are bird's eye chilies, on average about as hot as habaneros. This is right outside my living room, where my bird's eye chili is, also called sile here in the Philippines. And these birds actually come and eat these spicy peppers. I had to look it up. Although they have the taste receptors, the birds don't have the pain receptors, so all they get is the flavor with none of the heat. I was wondering why all my chilies were disappearing. These are hot. These are, like I said, right up there with habaneros. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe.